My name is Chelsea Stevens, and I'm a special education teacher consultant. Originally, I was enrolled in college as just a general education teacher. I worked at a respite program through college, working with students and families with disabilities. So my role was to we had services that provide respite program for the families. And so that kind of got me into the world of students with disabilities because I liked working through the process of getting to know them, problem solving, and helping them take control over their behaviors. I provide support and coaching to general education and special education teachers, kind of a never-ending circle of observing a student, kind of seeing how they're functioning within the classroom, meeting and collaborating and problem solving with the teacher. Then we implement a strategy and intervention, and I can model that for them and paraprofessionals as well, and then checking back in to see how things are going, and then moving around that never-ending circle with different teachers and students. I think the most rewarding part is working with a student and a teacher who is really struggling over a certain situation or with figuring out a student and how to get them be successful in the classroom. We problem solve and collaborate and try a few different things. And then once something is working, that sense of relief that you feel from them or that light bulb moment where they're like, okay, this is gonna be okay. We're gonna be able to work through with this student and help them be successful in the classroom. The advice I would give would be to definitely prioritize a program that gets them within the school system as much as possible. So programs that have a plethora of practicums, internships, and student teaching to really let them see what a school looks like and how they run. My favorite thing about living in Northern Michigan, besides it being home for my entire life, is the sense of community that you feel within not just the districts, but the local towns and villages. When something happens, you get to know people and the generations of families that go through the school system. And so it's a sense of family.